Rightio, I think we're day 21 today. It's like 10:30 and we haven't struck a blow yet. We've just been running around chasing up a few electrical things, light for the outside, above the PA door, bits and pieces, chasing my missing caboodle cabinet from Bunnings. It's apparently sitting in Ipswich, which is like 2.5 hours in the wrong direction. So sorting out things like that this morning, but it's time to get on. And I think Tom is going to do a skylight this morning. Oh, and we're putting that light on the outside. I'm going to put a light in above the door, and yeah, I think skylight, Starlink Mini. Well, the sun's shining, even though it's windy and it's still a bit cold, but get up on the roof while the sun's shining today. What are you doing, Mimi, with the sore foot? My oven finally arrived. Well, I assume that's what's in this pallet. That's pretty exciting. One more thing, or one less thing on this. Just like that, let there be light, skylight. And apparently that's what my roof's made out of. Fiberglass and foam and fiberglass.
Should be well insulated then.
Yeah, it shouldn't have any heating and cooling problems. And it's got some timber in it as well. Okay, that's where the washing machine's going. That we have days where we don't look like we achieve anything, even though we don't stop, and then days where things actually look like they happen. So this morning the Starlink mount's gone in, the skylight vent's gone in, and the light above this door's gone in, and we're about to cut the bathroom vent in there as well. So even though we don't stop some days, it doesn't look like we do much, and then all of a sudden it just jumps forward and we get stuck on. Just turn the lights off to see how much light actually comes through the sky roof, the bathroom vent and that side door, and even with that side door shut, there's quite a bit of light back in here. That's impressive. More cabinetry on this side today, and the under personal door steps, I think, next on the agenda. And just like that, we have cabinets. Still missing one. It got sent to Ipswich instead of Dalby and it's been sitting there since the 28th, but you know, can't rush these things. One more there for my desk, and then my desk hole on the end. Starting to come along now. Starting to look like it might be a house one day. We've got the stairs in, we've got the washing machine in. This will be my sink cupboard, and that will be the hot water going in there. The Thetford oven will go there. It's sitting up on my bed at the moment, but it will go there. Cutlery and crockery, pantry, Tupperware. This little drawer under there will probably be saucepans. Still waiting on one drawer here. Like I said, currently in Ipswich, but it's now being transferred to Toowoomba. That'll be my computer and office drawer, desk space. But next thing I think I might go to Bunnings and work for is some little drawers to go under here that will be concealed by the kickboards. And it might be like Mim's dog water bowl goes under there. We might put some shoes under there. But that's a wasted space that I think we can do something with. So I'll go and find some baskets. That's our skylight in. I've obviously just got to paint the surrounds of that black, but that's a start. So we've been running the air conditioners and speakers and lights and things today, giving the power a really good test out. And we've yielded 2.4 kilowatts today. Still 85 watts coming in. Battery is full. It's discharging at 2 amps at the moment. 164 watts out and 162 in, so it's just not quite keeping up, but it is 4:30 in the afternoon, I guess, in the middle of winter, so there you go. Keeping up with air conditioner, lights and power tools, no worries. With the lights off and the back door shut, you can just see how much light that one roof light and the door lets in, compared to if I turn you around down this end with those doors shut, jet black, but up here with the roof light and the side door, it lets in more light into the black hole than you think. But And that's where we're up to. Sitting here on my bed frame. My door's shut up because there's a fire in that fire pit out there with my lights on and the air conditioner on. Some cabinetry in. Starting to get a real feel for what my home might feel like. Which is a little bit scary, moving out of the bus that I love and into a new home and new adventures, but I'm starting to get a feel for it and I like it so far. It's smaller and it's different, but it's also going to be more nimble and more off-grid capable than what we've got. And a new chapter, but feeling good today. Day 21, 3 weeks. I'll have to do a budget update again for you guys tonight too. Feels like I just did that yesterday, but do it, get another one for you. But yeah, some progress. So one more caboodle cabinet to go down there in my desk. Then that finishes that run off. Then we start shower, fridge, day bed on this side. Clad and hang the big doors that go there in the back. Obviously the big steel doors there are shut at the moment. But yeah, you're starting to see your little skylight is in, my shower vent over there's in. I even hung a coat rack here at the end of my bed. The mount there's for the TV, but we've taken the TV off while we're doing dusty work. The stairs. So yeah, starting to feel a little bit more like a house. Got lots of conduit painting left to do and I'll have to paint that as well. Tomorrow's schedule, I think Tom's going to cut the gas heater in tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow morning we've got to go and get firewood for my mum and dad, and then we thought we might play croquet for something different in the afternoon and have a break. But we'll probably still do some work on the truck as well. And if we do, I think we're going to cut that gas hot water system into the cabinet. I think that's the big job for tomorrow if we get onto it. So we'll go from there.